Hello everybody, I want to show you my tomato plants that I just removed. It looks like it got infected with nematodes. So looking at the roots have some kind of nodes, and this kind of disease is common in Florida. There's no cure for it as far as I know. I had to remove the plant. This is one of them. I have like 3, so I removed 2 of them. The other one, same problem. Look at the roots. I think if you look closely, you'll see the nodes. And this one is not that bad, but I think it's going to be the same. It's all wrinkled. There is one left behind. It has 3 tomatoes, but I don't think it'll last that long. It won't last. So if you have the cure for this, leave a comment. I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.